Your interior of your home is a self-reflection of who you are as a person. So much of interior design can seem daunting. There's so many choices that are available. I'm going to teach you how to find your style, how to work with pattern, and how to use lighting so everyone can look good who comes over to your house. Go into your closet, take a few of the articles of clothing and drape them across your living room and see like, oh my God, I love that color. So what you look good in, you're gonna feel good in. At every project, this is how I start. I call these vibe trays. It keeps the materials in one place. We have stone, tile, wood. All of these textures work together, and that's what I love, is being experimental. Color is absolutely nothing to be afraid of. Living without color is like living without love. It evokes so many emotions. Yellow makes everyone happy. There are many things you can do to make a small space feel larger. For example, having pieces that are up on legs, or a coffee table that maybe has glass. High gloss paint can really expand the space because you have reflectiveness and dimension. And it looks so good. I want to take some of the mystery out of design so you feel confident and you can make incredible decisions and make a beautiful home. Stay curious, take risks, and beautiful things will happen. I'm Kelly Wearstler, and this is my masterclass.